Imagine a world where your investment portfolio skyrockets, outperforming the traditional giants of the market. Where is that sweet spot in the universe of cryptocurrencies that could catapult your personal finances to the next level? If you think you've heard everything about investing in crypto, get ready for a complete turnaround. Today, we'll unveil a revolutionary method that is redefining the rules of the game. No, it's not science fiction. It's the financial reality that many investors are already capitalizing on. Ready to discover how you can be one of them? Stay with us, because this journey through the new gold rush of investments has just begun. For years, Bitcoin has been the undisputed titan of cryptocurrencies, a coin that has turned ordinary investors into millionaires overnight. But is it still the crown jewel in the world of digital investments? The truth is, although its value has climbed mountains, it has also fallen into valleys just as steep. Volatility is its game, yes, but it doesn't have to be yours. As Bitcoin rides the roller coaster, there are new stars in the crypto sky, providing steady and robust returns. Did you know that certain cryptocurrencies have experienced a percentage growth that makes Bitcoin's rise look like spare change? These emerging cryptos, often ignored by the headlines, are paving a golden path for investors looking for more than just an exciting ride. They seek results. And here we are, looking beyond the glitter of Bitcoin, searching for opportunities where the promise of growth is not just a possibility, but a tangible reality. So, what makes these new players worthy of your attention and, more importantly, your investment? Stay tuned as we dive into the data that could forever change the way you view cryptocurrencies. Now, as we get to the core of this financial mystery, it's time to reveal the investment method that's causing a stir. It's not about magic, but strategy, technological innovation, and, of course, meticulous market analysis. We're talking about alternative coins with solid projects, cutting-edge blockchain technology, and most importantly, a focus on solving real-world problems. These cryptocurrencies don't just exist in the market, they're creating markets. From platforms that democratize finance to projects that interconnect blockchain networks, each of these coins is writing its own success story. The key to this method is not in seeking the next big rise, but in identifying projects with solid fundamentals, an active community, and real-world use potential that backs their value. And here's the thing. This approach is centered on a simple yet powerful principle: smart diversification. Never has the saying, "don't put all your eggs in one basket," made so much sense as in the crypto universe. And while this might sound like every investor's dream, it's not a path free of obstacles. Careful selection and a well-planned investment strategy are crucial. So, if you're ready to explore this terrain with us, let's unravel together how you can apply this method to your portfolio and start building your crypto empire on a solid knowledge base. Diving deeper into the fundamentals of this innovative investment method, it's essential to understand what makes it so different and effective. At the heart of this approach is the fundamental analysis of cryptocurrencies, a technique that evaluates projects based on their intrinsic value, not just price fluctuations. This means studying everything from the token's utility to the strength and vision of the team behind the project. While traditional crypto investment often focuses on market timing, our method emphasizes long-term quality and project sustainability. We're looking for coins with a clear purpose, solving specific problems, and the potential for mass adoption. We're not hunting unicorns. We're assessing the workhorses that can bear the weight of a true financial revolution. To add to this method not only considers the what, but also the how. The blockchain technology supporting these cryptocurrencies must be robust, scalable, and secure. We're in search of platforms that not only promise but deliver, innovating and overcoming technical challenges to stay ahead of the market. And the most exciting part is that the method I describe is completely accessible. The analysis tools and indicators we use are within everyone's reach, meaning you don't need to be a crypto expert to implement this strategy. With the right guidance and a clear understanding of the basics, Anyone can learn to identify cryptocurrencies with the potential to offer substantial returns. Armed with a firm understanding of the fundamentals of our revolutionary investment method, it's time to get down to business. Starting is simpler than it seems, and here we'll guide you step by step. First, the choice of exchange platform. The right selection is crucial because you want one that offers a wide variety of cryptocurrencies and is known for its security and reliability. Look for platforms that provide advanced analytical tools, are intuitive, and have transparent commission structures. Now, speaking of commissions, understanding the fee structure is essential to not erode your gains. Research and compare, and don't be fooled by offers that sound too good to be true.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
Once you have your platform, it's time to discuss investment strategy. A key point is gradual investment, also known as dollar cost averaging. This tactic reduces the risk of investing a large amount at a bad market time, allowing you to accumulate more cryptocurrencies when prices are low and less when they are high. And of course, diversification. Don't limit yourself to a single cryptocurrency, no matter how promising it might seem. By investing in a range of solid projects, you lower your risk and increase the chance of capturing gains from multiple sources. Lastly, and certainly not least, continuous education. The cryptocurrency market is dynamic and ever-changing. Stay informed about the latest trends, technologies, and market changes. Knowledge is power, and in the world of cryptocurrencies, it can be the difference between a successful investor and one who just got lucky. With these tips in your arsenal, you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency investments with a solid foundation and a clear strategy. As we delve into the real world of investments with our method, case studies become our compass. There's nothing like seeing theories and strategies applied in concrete situations to truly understand their potential. It's time to dive into market analysis and see how savvy investors have applied these principles with results that speak for themselves. Take, for example, an emerging cryptocurrency that has shown exponential growth in recent months. What's driving it? A solid project, an innovative solution to a common problem, and growing adoption. Analyzing its price movement, you can see an upward trend backed by increases in use and technological improvements, not just speculation. Or consider the story of a decentralized finance platform that has attracted investors with its unique focus on privacy and security. Through a combination of community governance and a good staking offer, this crypto has gained traction while maintaining relatively low volatility. But it's not all about rising. We also need to talk about volatility and how to manage it. The key is in the long-term perspective and risk management. Successful investors don't panic over daily fluctuations. They focus on long-term growth and stability of their investments. And you can't discuss investment without touching on market projections. What do experts say about the future of these cryptocurrencies? Although no one has a crystal ball, analyzing trends and listening to projections can give you an edge. The projections give us an idea of where the market might be heading, allowing us to adjust our strategies in an informed manner. So, armed with these case studies and solid market analysis, you can begin to see patterns and strategies that repeat in success stories. This is the kind of knowledge that transforms ordinary investors into visionaries of the crypto market. Are you ready to be one of them? With the foundation set and success stories as inspiration, it's time to take your investment skills to the next level with advanced strategies. These techniques will not only help you maximize your returns, but also protect you in a market famous for its unpredictability. An advanced strategy is sectoral diversification within the crypto space itself. Not all cryptocurrencies serve the same purpose. Some are platforms, others are utility tokens, and some function as digital currencies. Investing in different sectors can protect you against the fall of a specific area. Another tactic is periodic rebalancing of your portfolio. This means adjusting your holdings to maintain a desired ratio of assets. As the market fluctuates, some investments may outperform others. Rebalancing helps you strategically take profits and reduce risks. And let's not forget leveraging information, using technical analysis, tracking indicators, and trading signals to make database decisions. But always with caution. Misuse of these tools can lead to impulsive decisions and, ultimately, losses. Now, on the side of risks and considerations, we must be frank. Although the possibilities are exciting, the cryptocurrency market is not a game and not for the faint-hearted. Prices can be volatile and investments can lose value. Therefore, investing more than you can afford to lose is never an option. Moreover, the regulatory framework is constantly evolving. Stay on top of laws and regulations in your country, as they can significantly affect your investments. And of course, online security has never been so crucial. Protection against fraud, theft, and cyber attacks is a top priority. Make sure to use secure wallets, enable two-factor authentication, and follow the best digital security practices. With these advanced strategies and risk considerations in mind, you're much better equipped to navigate the sometimes stormy waters of cryptocurrency investments. Now, as we approach the end of this video, we want to leave you with a thought to ponder. What impact could acting on what you've learned today have on your life? Imagine the possibilities if you start applying these strategies with intelligence and caution. And so, friends, we close another chapter full of valuable insights. Remember, the path to financial mastery starts with one step, and today you've made significant progress. But don't let your journey stop here. Like this video if you found value in it, and subscribe now so you don't miss out on future revelations and strategies that will transform the way you invest. Share your opinion in the comments and share this with someone who it could change the life of. Thank you for your time. Until next time, and remember, in the world of investment, knowledge is the most valuable currency. See you in the next video.